so after 2 hours of trying to bleach my hair, it was an epic fail. An epic fail. I was trying to bleach my hair. I don't know if the products that I was using were not strong enough, or maybe they're just, I don't know, expired or something. But it just did not work out. It did not work out the way that I planned. So I'm just gonna use, let my hair be like this until I find the product that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how I style my hair, how I do like the waves. So basically the hair is wet on wet hair. Well, damp hair is damp. So I'm just combing it in the direction that I want to have my hair lay. I literally sat with that bleach on my hair for 2 hours and it did nothing. It's very simple. My hair is conditioned and moisturized, and I'm gonna use some Eco Styling Gel. This is the Sport Gel, and it is a strong hold, max hold. And I am just literally going to take a big gump like this, and I'm gonna start placing it to the crown of my head and start bringing it down. Everybody asks me how I get my hair like this, my waves. This is literally all I do. Literally shape it and mold it in the direction that I want it to go in. And get plenty in the back and on the sides. This is literally all I do. And it gives me the 90s look that I'm looking for. It is literally so simple and easy. You do need a lot of gel for this style, but it's worth it because you need it. You need the gel. Okay, so once it's slicked down with my hands, the next thing I do is I take my brush. You need a good brush. And I'm just going to brush it. But when you brush it, you want to smooth it. So you brush it and smooth it with your hand. All the way around. Brush it and smooth it with your hand. And make sure you get the top so that it can lay down good. You can see. It is laying perfectly. And then I take my comb and I smooth it, and I go ahead and start putting it in a direction that I want, and I design it how I want. And you can get creative with it. I think you definitely should take time in this portion of the hair and you know, design it the way you want. And I just you can use a fine tooth comb. You can add more gel around this area and add more gel around the edges so that you can style it. You have to definitely put time and energy into the edges to style it. And I'm just styling. I'm just styling the front and the edges. And I don't wrap it, I don't do anything, I let it air dry. If you are, it does dry very quick. It dries really, really quick, so. You just style it the way you want it, around the edges. Super cute. Same thing on this side, style it the way you want. Give it some style. Let me turn around so you can see. This is how it's on my end. Very cute. Very cute. I wanted it to be bleached, but it's okay. And so that's it. You can put a do-rag on if you want to. I don't put a do-rag on. I never put a do-rag on. This is how I do it. Very cute. Put your earrings on, do your makeup, and you got a very cute 90s style. It reminds me of 90s. And you can do you can put your comb, and you can style the front portion how you want. The waves are in there. You are literally drowning in the waves. And you just style it. So cute. And that is how I do my hair. Very cute. Very, very cute. I'm so sad because I really wanted to bleach the hair. I really wanted to bleach the hair, but it's okay. This is it, you guys. Very, very cute. And it would dry like this and it would stay like this. If you want to take it the extra mile and sit under the dryer, you can. I don't do that. I just let it air dry, and that is just pretty much it. You put your earrings on. Pretty much let it air dry. You put your earrings on and be done with it. And that's it. So this is how I style my hair. I got so many compliments. I get so many questions on what I do. People think I'm just doing this elaborate routine, and I'm not. All I do is moisturize the hair, and all I do is add gel. That's it. I add gel. You can do the olive oil gel. You can do this gel, but you need a strong hold. You need a strong hold gel so that the style can stay. You have your brush and you have your rat tail comb, and that is it. And you don't need to spray it. It's not going to be dry. It's going to look shiny. It's going to be gorgeous. You're going to have so many compliments. And this is how I do my hair, and I absolutely love it. I mean, I think the hair color is okay. It's not what I was going for, but it's okay. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.